and we're gonna go see a Cirque du Soleil show, which I love, for her birthday. It's my treat. So we came out for breakfast first, and this is what we're having. I'm having eggs Benedict with hash browns. We're sharing that, of course, because we wanted waffles. Thank you. Nano's getting a little bit cold, so that's good. And yeah, so we had to share because I always have to have some form of like pastry for breakfast. And then Ashley, sausage, scrambled eggs, and hash browns. Super excited. I'm excited.
View. And if you get a chance to go over to the museum campus, oh, what happened? Oh, we got a clock.
We got a birthday! 1, 2, 3, 4!
Happy birthday from all of us to you.
I thought this was pretty cool because this show is on E! Entertainment right now, and they're showing my network that I'm with through YouTube, and there's clips of my videos in the show, and I'll show you that right now.
Meeting with Style Hall, which is a really big deal. Style Hall basically is a big host channel of a bunch of beauty and fashion channels. Overall, just helps you get as much exposure as possible. Yeah, it's like double, triple exposure. You really need them to help facilitate our
Hey, buddy. You wanna grab me? You wanna grab me?
We're here at this place where they have like antojitos mexicanos. So this is lime ice cream, Mexican ice cream with tamarind and tajin. And we're here with baby Jovan. Yay! She's a cutie. This looks amazing. So Alex is on her way to come over, and before she came, I want to make sure that I surprised her with this planner because she says that she needs something that's on the go because her Erin Condren is really big. This is like the size of an Erin Condren. This is actually the Happy Planner that I have here, but it's the same size, so I got one of these planners out. This is one of my favorites. I have just a couple of them, and I know that she's gonna give it a more loving home than I am just because I tend to switch off my planners, and I know that she needed one, so I made sure to give her like all brand new inserts. This actually came from a KKK planner, and this is the Webster's Pages, but I already used and wrote inside of the Webster Pages inserts. That's why I didn't want to give her the ones that it came with, so I gave her some other ones that were like never have even been like touched or written on. That way she has everything and she can keep this with her, especially because now she's planning her wedding and she needs to write down like important notes on the go. Alex is here! Yay! She came. And do you love your planner? I'm so excited for you to see it.
I'm so excited.
Because I found inserts from another KKK planner and I've never even used them. So I was like super excited.
Yes, I like called her and was like, I want to get something for the wedding. So
Yes,
I'm so excited.
that seriously helped me so much.
Oh,
What are you two
I
doing
love
down here?
it.
Yes, so now we are off to, I feel like my thing's blurry. Ginger wouldn't be quiet. She was like barking up a storm. That's why I had to like pick her up. Ginger, relax. Let me clean this right here. You hear her? She's like, pick me up.
It's been a while.
I was like, what are you doing? So we are off to Target. It's funny because we just said this on her vlog, on her vlogging channel.
You guys need to go check it out if you haven't.
Subscribe. I'll have a link down below. I like that one vlog that we were in.
Yes,
in the
it is
car.
so funny.
I did not know that you were vlogging, so I was like really into it.
I know. I loved when you were like, oh my god. When you were driving. We'll probably have another session like that because we just always are singing on the car.
Yeah, we can't help it. We have like the best playlists. Not gonna lie, we have some of the best playlists.
We definitely do.
We do on Spotify. Yeah. Wait, did you download it first, or did I download it first?
You first, and then I went on because you were like, I was listening to Rav Jams.
Oh, Ricardo's Rav Jams.
And then you subscribed or like did your little thing because 99 cents, and then I was like, I want to do it because
I love
music.
Oh yeah, there was like a free trial, right?
Now we're back to that.
But seriously, it's like $10 if you don't. It's like kind of like Pandora. If you don't want to, if you want to be able to skip songs instead of just playing it on shuffle, then you pay $10 a month, and
It's so
I got
worth
suckered
it.
in. Do you pay $10?
I pay $10 a month.
I think
now.
it's so worth it.
I think I started paying since like August because I got
Me
it for the
too.
summer.
Yeah. Okay, so Coco and Ginger, you have to go. Kitchen.
Oh, let's go. Come on.
Come on. Kitchen. Okay. And, oh wait, hold on. Can you hold the camera real quick? Hold on.
And you need to show them your cute outfit of the day.
Oh, snap. It's like new too. I don't know why I wanted to wear this. So this is a sweater from Victoria's Secret. My sister gave this to me for my birthday, and then I just wore it today.
I know, that's
like
crazy, and
tags.
it's so cute. They have leggings that actually have this detailing. You need to get them.
I know.
For like a workout.
They're so cute. And then these pantalones are from Just Fab, and I literally just put them on, and I was doing like the stretching dance.
Yeah, it was too
because
funny.
they were like really stretched.
And they're high waisted, right?
Oh yeah, they're high waisted.
So cute.
And then I got my those Tory Burch. Don't close up on my feet though; they're not cute. But the Tory Burch chanclas. And then we have this. This was from Target's
Philip Lim.
collab with Philip Lim. Yes.
Because I was so sad I couldn't get one, but you guys, you and Ashley have like the cutest
we went,
ones.
girl, no, but we had to go to like 3 or 4 Targets to get them. What am I looking for?
I don't know, your keys.
I think I think we're good.
Okay.
Yeah. So now let's get going, guys. Oh, this lipstick is from ColourPop.
I was telling them how we're going to see each other all weekend, and I was so excited.
Yes. Oh, I didn't show you my Tory Burch boots.
No!
So Alex was just telling me right now how much she loved the powder I gave her. That I got her from Mexico. That's the powder that I'm wearing right now, and honestly,
It's
I
amazing.
love
I don't have it on. I look like death right
Oh
now.
my god. No, but I have it on, and like I love it. Like
It's
it
so
looks so good, and it covers up
lasts.
so much.
I literally used it on my longest day of class where I have class all day, and I came home and I was like not oily. It was like perfect.
Yeah, girl, I love it. I think I paid like how many pesos? I want to say like 65 pesos.
Yeah, you said like
That's like
65,
$4 or
$70.
$5. Yeah, $5 for that powder. I stocked up. I brought home like 2 with me.
That's good.
I brought one for you, for my sister, one for Ashley, and I.
Yeah, love it.
This again, Alex. You have to tell me.
It is a iced green tea latte with 3 pumps sugar-free vanilla.
And I told Alex to order it because it sounded way too complex. I was like,
Yes.
just order it because I don't know what you're saying. We are at, what is this place
It's called BC Osaka.
I feel like I'm always asking you like what we're doing, where
know.
we're at, what is it called?
That's just how it is. And
Yeah.
so let's start here because I want
Okay.
to show you the sushi that they
So
have.
this is a buffet where they have sushi, and you guys know I'm obsessed with some sushi.
they'll fry it in front of you there.
Okay,
So
let me just turn around the
nice.
camera. Oh my god, it looks bomb. I'm so excited.
And then here's where you grab the stuff to make, and then they fry it there.
for you.
So
Okay.
stir fry.
Let me see your outfit, girl. Hold on, because you look so cute. I love it all. And I love your lips. What are you wearing on your
I
lips?
am wearing the Maybelline that you got me for my birthday.
Zin! All right.
Yep.
I'm so proud of Alex because she tried one and she liked it. She had the dragon roll and she liked it. So I told her she would like those too. And then I had to come back for more. This is my second plate, guys. And this is Ricardo's second plate too because we just love it. It is Sabrina's birthday. Yay! And this is Sophia. She's super cute. I love her hair. Thank you. Really good. And we just got done eating. I'm done eating.
I'm trying to finish.
Yeah, I like ate like everything that was sushi, so I'm super stuffed. Yeah. Dogs, I love her. She is the cutest thing ever. And I'm setting up for a picture or for like a little scenery when I record my video because this is going to be like the intro to my Plan With Me video. Look how cool this looks, guys. I'm so excited. I'm quite proud actually of how it turned out because I wasn't sure how it's gonna be. Let me just turn this down a little bit. Her vlog is half an hour long, so wait, yeah, her vlog is half an hour long, so I just kind of have it in the background. She's so funny. I love them. Zoe and Alfie, they're so cute. Yeah, so I got my inspiration from this right here. I took all of the little cards out so it could be like really cute around the planner. But this was actually given to me from a subby in my P.O. box, and I love it. It's called a pocket letter, and they just put a bunch of stuff in here. It's like a thing, like there's a club and everything. Like I've seen people do this a lot and I always wondered what it was, and I'm so in love, especially like these little washi tape samples. Do you guys see this right here? This has like pumpkins on it. Super adorable. And she gave me quite a few actually. So I have like this one and these right here. Really cute washi tape samples. I'm super excited. And like stickers and even tea with a cute little tea bag right here. And yeah, so this is what it's going to look like. You guys have a preview of it. I brought this out for my other spread because you guys know whenever I do plan with me's, I like to do like 2 spreads at a time. I don't know, I just get really into it. So that is what it looks like. And this came on top of it too. It has like little paper clips with washi tape on there. So adorable. This one should probably go down like this. Oh, that little banner. I think it looks good like that. Yeah, and I really need to paint my nails. I haven't done them in a while, but I kind of want to have my friend Mireya come and do my nails. That's why I've been like, you know, procrastinating on my nails. Procrastinating? Did I say that right? Because she does like really cute nail designs. She has a popular Instagram account. And she was actually at Gen Beauty. Essence flew her out there. And I want her to do my nails. So I'll probably wait. I'll see her tomorrow. And yeah, so that's my setup right now. So I just got done filming for the day, and sitting in front of my big window always helps out because it just gives that great lighting. And here's my camera, as you guys can see. And I just did a quick little intro for the Plan With Me video. That's why it kind of takes me forever to like film in a day, because like I have to like get ready, and like I keep looking at this viewfinder. I should probably stop looking at it, but like to get ready and all that good stuff. And let's see. Yep. Where is it at? This is a camera that I use, by the way. It is the Canon T5i. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, so now I've been actually filming all day long, and now I'm going to film a little bit more, and then I will edit a video. Hopefully this video, the Plan With Me video, is gonna go up tonight. And then hopefully I can edit that, and I could upload this vlog too, because it's been, you know, it's been a while since I have done like daily vlogs, and I really want to get back into it. I feel like what things that I do are not that interesting. So if you guys like them, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you guys want to see like daily vlogs. I can try my best to do them. I can't promise anything, just because unless like something fun and exciting is happening, you guys can see it instead of just like watching me like sit on my couch all day. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah, I gotta do that, and I'll talk to you guys soon. So after I talked to you guys last time, Ricardo and I went to go get B-dubs. We went to go get some wings, and then I was playing with my game. It's called what is it? Happy Home Design for Animal Crossing. I'm addicted to that thing, like seriously. I couldn't stop playing it the first night. It's super cute. And so I want to wait before or after I eat dinner to open up this box that I got. I'm super excited. Yeah, this doesn't say who it's from, but it's for me. And yeah, so let's open it together. And I'm also going to be editing my videos, so I brought my laptop with me so I can finally do that. Because usually there's a note that comes with it, and there's no note. But I have a feeling this is for a project. But yeah, this is from NYC and this is from Rimmel, and I am completely obsessed with lip colors, so this can have come at a better time. Oh my goodness, all these colors look beyond amazing. It came inside the box, and it's like Rimmel, NYC, and I'm super in love with them. And then my OCD kicked in. I had to put them in categories when I opened them. Well, that is all for today. I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is super exciting because we're gonna go to the escape room. And what's the escape room, you might ask? I went when I was in California, and it's pretty much just like for fun. You get trapped in this room and you have to figure out how to get out within 45 minutes, and it's gonna be 12 of us going, so we have to get out of the room. I'm super excited, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Muchas besos.